Hello, my name is Shayna Duke, Executive Masters of Organization Development student, Class of 2020. Over the next few minutes, I will share my process of creating my personal OD library. This is a working library that will serve as a reference to my personal approach to OD and what I believe about transforming whole systems. To ensure I incorporate the key components into my library, I created a plan. The purpose and outcome of my library is to create a centralized location for tools and literature I've collected that supports my OD method. This can be used for leaders and other change agents as a toolkit and way to organize their thoughts and data on various change methods. The steps I took to build my library include research, joining a community of practice, conversations with OD practitioners, and solidifying a tool that worked for me to organize my thoughts. To maintain my library, I will need to become more comfortable with other technologies to make my library more accessible. My purpose in life is to help others find their purpose and do what brings them joy. Happy people are the key ingredients to successful organizations. The Rokich survey is a values classification instrument that allows you to assess what terminal and instrumental values are at the top of your list. I have always been an honest person who loves effortlessly, cares deeply, and sees the best in everyone. It was interesting to see my values survey reaffirm that. Over the course of this slide, I will begin to go through the 8 design elements and how I utilize those when defining my organization development method. I will start with invitation, move on to purpose, go on to systems, and then experience, move into technology and evidence, and then mastery and values. Following that, I will talk about my dream job and ideal organization. My focus is on my consulting business that I would like to pursue, called People First, and listed other services I will provide. In addition, I would like to be a life coach, both professionally and personally, to help others achieve and live out their best lives. I will then go into my current state resume to begin to assess where I am currently and what gaps are in existence so that I can address those. I will also clear up this picture as it is a bit cloudy. Here I will outline my future state resume and add the necessary credentials to get me to my future state dream job. I will then go into my portfolio and begin to break down the gap analysis, my current state role in human resources, into what I hope to achieve as a consultant, as well as personal and professional life coach. From there, I will expand upon my portfolio and talk about some tangible metrics that I can do to achieve my dream goal, including building clientele, creating a plan, specifically a business plan, and network and seek mentors to help me throughout my journey. I will then go into my resource toolkit and evidence library. I currently have my OD library in OneNote. However, I am looking into some other technologies such as Bookcrawler, LibraryThing, and Libri to see what will best suit my needs. I will continue showing how I've organized my OD library. I will then conclude with this quote: "Living your best life is your most important journey in life," by Oprah Winfrey. What I've learned through this process is really how all of this has helped me bring more focus to my why, how I intend to live that out, and the steps I will need to take to get there. I will also include more works cited that I've used to create my OD library. Thank you.